Nah,
Udah, Dik?
udah.
Oke. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Teman-teman, bagaimana kabarnya? Sehat semua?
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Teh kumaha teh?
Ya,
Sehat. Helinin sehat.
alhamdulillah sehat walafiat. Oh ya, teman-teman, berhubung Pak Ada Japri katanya hari ini tidak bisa masuk atau kemungkinan bisa masuk juga, nanti masuknya agak telat. Jadi barusan Bapak menyuruh saya untuk merecord untuk pertemuan kali ini, lalu kita melanjutkan presentasi ke kelompok selanjutnya. Kelompok siapa yang berkenan untuk tampil hari ini?
Kelompok 2B1 teh.
Kelompok 2 dari B1 ya. Ya udah, untuk mempersingkat waktu juga, soalnya waktunya juga cuma sebentar, boleh dimulai saja langsung.
Oke, siap. Langsung share screen aja ya.
Ya, mangga Mas.
Udah ada?
Udah.
Udah siap kelompok?
Udah.
TR siap? Oke.
Sudah.
Oke, semuanya assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Here we are, group 2 from B1 2019. Kita ada 6 anggota. Saya Zikri sebagai moderator. Di sini akan membimbing, akan memimpin jalannya presentasi. Nah, kita mulai saja ya. Let's begin. Ini mungkin review sedikit tentang learning media. According to Omar Hamalik, learning media are tools, methods, and techniques used in order to make communication more effective and interaction between teacher and students in the education and teaching process in school. Jadi saya setuju sekali ya dengan Omar Hamalik ini, karena dia bilang sebuah alat gitu, metode dan teknik buat agar lebih efektif gitu kalau proses pembelajaran di kelas itu. Nah, kalau yang according to Suprapto and Friends, learning media are an effective tool that can be used by teacher to achieve the desired goal. Jadi, kalau si Suprapto ini, jadi learning media dapat digunakan untuk menentukan tujuan juga gitu, untuk membantu dan menentukan tujuan yang dicapai di kelas. Selanjutnya kita bakal menjelaskan sedikit learning media yang kita gunakan. Fitri, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Great.
Yes, please, Fitri. Next to you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, before we going to implementation from InFocus YouTube and Quizzes, let's see the definition of this media. Next. Yeah, InFocus or projector. Projector is a device that integrates a light source, optical system, electronic and display to project an image or video onto a wall, media or widescreen. Projector also offers several advantages such as offering high mobility. And next media is YouTube. Kita udah familiar ya sama YouTube. Jadi YouTube is a popular video sharing website founded in February 2005 by 3 former PayPal employees. There is Chad Harley, Stephen Chen, and Jawed Clare. And according to Internet Research from Hitwise, as of May 2006, YouTube had a 43% market share User can load, watch, and share video clips for free. Generally, the videos of YouTube is there is music clips or video clips, movies, television, and videos made by the user themselves. And fast internet access and cheap video recording device are considered as one of the factors that make video YouTube very popular. And next we have quizzes. Quizzes is one of the best learning media, digital and online, can be used if there is internet support etiquette, which consists of features of quizzes, surveys, games, quizzes as well discussion. Quizzes has been around since 2015 and is a multiplayer quiz game that can be used by students both inside and outside the classroom. In this application, there is already a collection of quizzes. Students can easily access it, and the implementation of these three media will be presented by TEK.
Okay, so now we are going to see the implementation video from free medias that we choose. The first one is projector, and then also YouTube and quizzes. And in this video, I was doing my PPL task or PPL at SMA1 Ciranjang. So at that time, why we thought why we don't really implement all these free medias into the real teaching situation. So that's what happened. Okay, without further ado, let's see the video first. Please enjoy.
Wait, my PC in trouble.
Bentar ya teman-teman lagi. Nah. Oke.
Aduh, malah ngehang PC-nya. Muncul videonya.
How are you, everybody? Good. Healthy, everyone? All healthy, in good condition? Yes? Alhamdulillah. Okay, we are going to continue our lesson. Last meeting, what we have already learned, judulnya apa? Meeting yang sebelumnya? Narrative text. Good. Now today we are still on the narrative text, but maybe today we are going to exercise more. Yeah. I want you to be more active today. So I will have some quiz and also some games for you today. Okay. Nah. Okay. Please read the title. Okay. Narrative text. Okay. Now, before that, I have a video, an example of another narrative text. from YouTube.
An elephant wandered into a jungle in search of friends. He saw a monkey on a tree. And
as usual, we are going to learn about the text ya. Harus reading, sering-sering reading ya, sering-sering baca. Nah, ini apa? Judulnya boleh dibaca? Artinya yes and no game. So you have to follow the rules. The first one, there will be some question from the story before. Jadi it's similar with the true and false game. Are you ready, guys? Okay. Number one, elephant looking for a friend. Yes or no? Diceritakan dia. Elephant looking for a friend. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Stand up if yes. Sit down if no. Oke? Siap? Siap ya? 1, 2, 3. Don't hesitate, jangan ragu. Ayo. 1, 2, 3. Oke. Ada yang tadi belum paling berarti ya. Ini sesi latihan yang nomor 1. Tapi coba dulu yang berdiri siapa? Nah, ya, lihat. Oke, most of you is standing up. Oke, okay, everyone. Let's see. Actually, the answer is yes. Ya, jadi tadi alasannya nyari teman kan, betul ya? Ya. Is this one of animal that asked by the elephant to be his friend? Is this one of the animals that asked by the elephant to be his friend? 1, 2, 3. No? Sure? Sure. Okay. The actual answer is yes, everyone. This is about the material. Okay. Number 1. What is narrative text? Anyone wanna try? Okay. Group 3. Apa narrative text? Adalah cerita yang membacanya yang bersifat imajinatif. Ya, so this narrative text is imaginative story ya, to amuse the reader or people, right? A story. Okay, the next one. Please give some example of folk tale. 1, 2, 3. Number. Yang sumbi. Yang pendam. No, not exactly. Ada yang mau coba lagi? Cerita. Ada yang mau lagi coba kompak ya? Itu dulu ya. Salah, kurang tepat. Kata-kata cisokan. Kurang tepat. Hotel everyone. Okay, bernomor. Hello, still wrong everyone. Hotel, cerita rakyat. Jangan ketukar sama yang satunya lagi. Ayo. Cerita. Udah, ya, still wrong everyone. Bidul, ya, ada yang berdua lagi. Ayo everyone. We still have the chance. Saya salah coba. Salah. Kayaknya ketukar nih sama satu lagi. Jadi ada yang mau coba lagi. Ayo, group number 1 dan number 4 ada yang coba apa aja nih? Novel, cerita rakyat. That's all by generation to generation, and then there's the culture inside it. Ya. Good.
An ICT media such as quizzes like this, or maybe PowerPoint.
Okay, that's the video. I'm so sorry if I made some mistakes on the video. Yeah, I'm quite shy. So. Okay. As we said before, that there's 3 media that we use, right? There's projector, also YouTube and quizzes. Why we chose these 3 medias at the same time? Because we thought we can integrate it, these three medias into one learning process. Okay, so the first one is projector. This is really important, I think, and it is almost like a must-have items in your class if you want to use an ICT media such as quizzes like this or maybe PowerPoint, so you can present and project your material in the class, and you can assess it with your student at the same time, at the real time. And the second one, YouTube. As we all know, YouTube has so many videos that we can choose for learning. It's really useful. It's really easy to use. We can just simply visit the YouTube page and then search for the keyword, and there will be tons of videos that we can choose for our material. And in these videos, I use YouTube to show the example of another narrative form, like a storytelling videos, and the title is The Great Elephant. And it is really interesting because the animation is good and also the sound is really good, so it's quite fun for the class. And then the third one is quizzes. Now, because this media has already explained really well by the last group, so maybe we just will add something just a little bit, and we will explain more like how to use it in the offline class. Okay, but I have to say that I agree that quizzes is designed specifically for the online class because all the options, all the features is really easier to use when we use it for the online class. For example, for the lesson option, if we want to show our lesson, the procedure is really the same with quiz one. We have to share our code first, and then the student will access the code and they have to enter our page, and then we can start the class together with the student. But I think that's too demanding for the offline class because in offline class, all the students have to bring their gadget, and in the real life, not everyone has gadget and has data. And then also, yeah, if in offline class we busy on our screen, like the teacher see the screen and the student also see their screen, so there will be no interaction on the offline class, right? And we don't want that on the offline class. But don't worry, we still can use these quizzes for the offline class. We have some tricks later on.
They are somehow like
maybe
put in the real quiz situation.
Yeah. Maybe some of you will think, well, why this sounds so inconvenient, and why don't we just use PowerPoint maybe to create the same page like in the quizzes? We can totally do that. But actually, I have to say that quizzes has the powerful appearance and also interesting appearance that make the student really interested and make the student really active in the class. In my experience, when I use these quizzes, all the students they are somehow like put in the real quiz situation, so they have the urge to really active. They have the urge to. So I think that's why we really highly recommend to use quizzes even if in the offline class. Okay, to make it more clearer, maybe we are going to make a little demonstration how to use how to make the lesson in the quizzes, because at the last time the other group doesn't really go deep down into the lesson part. So here we are going to demonstrate that part. Let me share the screen first.
We have to click the quit button right here. Today we are going to explain the lesson 1. So click the lesson.
Can you see my screen? Okay. So as usual, if you want to make some lesson or quiz, we have to click the create button right here. Today we are going to explain the lesson 1. So click the lesson, choose the subject, and click next. Sebentar, stop screen dulu ya. Nah, okay. Now we have to add the lesson name, for example, narrative text. And then choose the subject and click next. Sebentar. Kita stop screen dulu ya. Okay, now can you see the screen again? Bisa kelihatan screen-nya?
Yes, Teh.
Now when you click the lesson option, then this blank slide will appear over here. It's actually similar with the PowerPoint appearance. So we have just to make an edit here. We can, for example, this is the title that we choose, and then we want to customize the background. You can click the themes over here. Okay, now can you see the screen again? You can choose, this is the basic one, and also there's the animated. Bisa kelihatan screen-nya? Here, actually the animated. Now when you click the lesson option, then this blank slide will appear over here. It's actually similar with the PowerPoint appearance. So we have just to make an edit here. We can, for example, this is the title that we choose, and then we want to customize the background. You can click the themes over here. There's some themes that you can choose. This is the basic one, and also there's the animated themes one here. Actually, the animated is really like a moving pictures like this. So this is more interesting and more fun, right? And then you can also customize the background with the color you like, maybe red. Oh, sorry, this is for the text color, and the background also you can customize it. Maybe yeah. And then like this. For today we choose the animated one. Okay. Now after you customize the background, you can also add some more text. You can choose the button here, and you can add some pictures maybe. But in the quizzes, actually, if you have the basic package, not the pro one, you only have 10 change to use this picture option. And also if you have a pro package, then you can record your audio here. But mine is not pro. So, and then you can also add the YouTube or some formulas, math formulas like this. For example, this is how we want to design the first page. And then if we want to add some slide again, we can just add here and pick the slides you want. For example, this one. And at the video, I also use quizzes for sharing the reading session. Maybe I will add some text, for example. Sorry.
For example, you want to set it like this for the reading session, and after that, if you want to make some interesting game or quiz, you can also
I add this
a game and
text.
quiz with this some option.
The
You can
Bear and Two
choose
Friends.
multiple choice
The
for
title is The Bear and Two
blank
Friends. This
or
is the narrative
open
text.
For
If
my
you want
videos, I use multiple
to
choice for the yes or no game.
change the
So I will
position, it's similar with the
present some
PowerPoint
statement
option
according to
up
the
here.
story. For example,
Oh, it's too big.
They
For example, you want to set it like this for the reading session, and after that, if you want to make some interesting game or quiz, you can also add a game and quiz with this some option. You can choose multiple choice, fill in the blank, full or open-ended question. For my videos, I use multiple choice for the yes or no game. So I will present some statement according to the story.
Choose the right answer.
Yeah, for example,
And you can use this. And then if you want to add the fill in the blank question, it's up to you. There's a lot of option that you can choose that's suitable for your teaching process. And then if this done, for example, if this done, then you can just have it.
for example, this statement right here, and then the student have to choose between yes or no. If the statement is right or no, I'll just put yes and no, and choose the right answer.
And add some pictures.
Yeah, and you can use this. And then if you want to add the fill in the blank question, it's up to you. There's a lot of option that you can choose that's suitable for your teaching process. And then if this done, for example, if this done, then you can just have it.
To use it for the offline classes. Just download.
And save, and you can add the title.
If the screens appear on your screens, then our lesson is done.
And add some
Actually,
pictures.
If you want to use it for the online class, you can start a live lesson.
If not, sekarang nggak aja ya. So we can save it. Oh, sorry, the grade. We can choose the grade.
This one because
Send grade out of
means you have
12.
to connect with your student first online. But if you just simply
Okay, now we're done. Now this is a trick if you want to use it for the offline classes.
You can just choose this preview. It's somehow
Just,
like a cheating
download,
way, but we can use it.
Now, if the screens appear on your screens, then our lesson is done. Actually, if you want to use it for the online class, you can start a live lesson over here. But if you want to use it for the offline class, you can choose this one because if you choose this one, it means you have to connect with your student first online. But if you just simply want to show it on the screen on the projector, you can just choose this preview. It's somehow like a cheating way, but yeah, we can use it.
Thank you. We will back to
E and then start.
everyone.
Yes, thank you Teh Erika.
And now you
Sangat
can
bermanfaat
have
sekali. Terima kasih atas
the
penjelasannya.
presentation shown
Now
on
we
your
are
screen
going
like
to
this. So this, maybe you can will have the reading session. Of the reading session, you want to have the quiz, and it will appear like this, exactly the same with the quizzes, with the quiz option.
we are going to next
For the play
topic.
game, for example,
That is SWOT
this is the
analysis.
right one, like this, and that.
Will be explained
Maybe
by
that's
Bu
all for the
Eis.
demonstration.
Please, Bu Eis.
Thank you. We will back to Kang Zikri now. Thank you, everyone.
SWOT analysis consists of strength, weakness, opportunity, and for the strength and weakness that have already
Ya Bu, sebentar.
Okay. Thank you, AJT, for question.
Tiba-tiba first close.
SWOT analysis consists of strength, weakness, opportunity, and for the strength and weakness that have already explained very clearly from Teh Linding. So I take one or two from the strength and weakness. Ajikri itunya, screen-nya. Ya. Ya, kemarin untuk saya mengambil SWOT analisis di sini. Kemarin untuk kelemahan dan kekuatannya itu sudah sangat jelas diterangkan ya oleh Teh Lin. Mungkin di sini saya hanya mengambil sedikit atau satu atau dua dari kekurangan dan kelebihan dari SWOT analisis yang saya ambil di sini. Yang kami ambil di sini adalah tentang kuisisnya. Okay, for SWOT analysis from quizzes at learning process, the strength is make it easier for teachers to give a quiz or daily test to students because they play games but also learn. Jadi ini kekuatannya adalah memudahkan guru untuk membuat quiz atau tes harian kepada siswa. Kemudian siswa juga merasa senang karena mereka selain belajar, mereka bermain game juga. But quizzes have a weakness because quizzes is strongly influenced by the strong internet, so that there can be disconnect and this will hinder student work. Jadi karena quizzes ini sangat dipengaruhi oleh internet, maka ketika ada trouble dengan internetnya, maka pekerjaan siswanya akan terhambat. Ya. Kemudian opportunity atau kesempatan atau peluang ya. If the student who have abilities and can answer question quickly can have chance to become the champion. Karena quizzes ini semacam ada peringkatnya gitu. Jadi ketika siswanya punya kemampuan yang lebih dan bisa menjawab dengan cepat, jadi mereka punya kesempatan untuk menjadi juara atau ranking ke-1 dari quizzes tersebut. Ya, jadi ini
Yes, thank you, boys. Okay, next is a conclusion by Taufik.
Kemudian yang terakhir adalah threat atau ancamannya. Ya, if use ICT too often for learning, it's likely that students will no longer be interested in ordinary or traditional learning. Jadi ancamannya mungkin bagi siswa ketika sering digunakannya ICT atau di sini yang diambilnya adalah fisik, mereka mungkin tidak tertarik atau merasa kurang greget ketika misalnya mereka beralih ke pembelajaran yang tradisional, misalnya pembelajaran dengan menggunakan whiteboard atau pembelajaran tradisional lainnya. Jadi mereka seakan-akan kalau misalnya tidak ada dengan ICT, mereka jadi malas belajarnya. Maybe that's enough for SWOT analysis. Thank you for attention. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Zikri.
Yes, thank you,
So
Taufik.
the conclusion is ICT in the learning basically involves using digital technology, communication tool, and or apps to manage, integrate, evaluate, and create information in order to function in a knowledge society. Apart from the advantages and disadvantages of each learning media is also very important as a source and a medium of transit knowledge to help the learning process. So that the learning process will be more interesting, active, and stimulates
Gak ada ya,
students
ini
to
gak ada
learn.
yang mau bertanya.
The ICT media, which
Gak
increase the
nanya
rate of
Tehlin.
learning, would enable the teacher to teach less and the learner to learn more. Jadi intinya, singkatnya, penggunaan teknologi informatika sangat memudahkan bagi guru dalam menyampaikan sebuah materi. Adapun bagi siswa, mereka dapat lebih mudah memahami materi yang disampaikan.
Oke, kalau tidak ada pertanyaan, ya sudah, kita udahan aja. Mungkin bisa dilanjut oleh kelompok selanjutnya dari B2. Thank you for your participation. Terima kasih telah memperhatikan, terima kasih telah mengikuti presentasi kami. Mohon maaf jika kelompok kami masih kurang menjelaskan atau ada kekurangan, ada kesalahan. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita
sampai jam 8:40 Tehlin.
Oh, masih lama ya?
Iya, 40 menitan lagi.
Belum Mas, belum, bentar. Mas, untuk materinya boleh dikirim ke grup tidak ya? Iya. Sebenarnya kalau kita lanjut ke kelompok 2 masih ada waktu ya. Cuman Bapak Ibu satu kelompok aja. Berarti gimana teh? Dilanjut Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kita nggak begitu
sampai jam 8:40 Tehlin.
Oh, masih lama ya?
Iya, 40 menitan lagi kalau dilihat dari
lanjut aja teh.
Ya.
Lanjut aja ya. Bentar ya, lanjut. Teman-teman bentar, saya lagi konfirmasi dulu ke tamunannya ya. Sebenarnya kalau kita lanjut ke kelompok 2 masih ada waktu ya. Cuman bapaknya nyuruh satu kelompok aja tadi teh. Boleh lanjut aja.
Berarti gimana teh? Dilanjut dulu apa?
Boleh kita lanjut aja.
Udahan aja.
Udahan aja teh.
Kalau mau lanjut kita sih siap karena kita nggak begitu lama sih penjelasannya.
Ini mulai aja langsung.
Iya teh, tapi ini masih di-record kan?
Lanjut aja
masih, teh. Masih.
Oh iya, berarti boleh lanjut, nanti recordnya kirim ke Bapak aja.
Lanjut aja ya?
Oh iya, sekedar
bentar ya,
lanjut.
Teman-teman bentar, saya lagi konfirmasi dulu ke Pak Mamannya ya. Jam 9-an lebih untuk materi sudah dikirim.
Banget ya.
Sama Bu Anita juga katanya hari ini kemungkinan nggak masuk, jadi kita dikasih tugas. Soalnya lagi di Cianjur lagi. Boleh lanjut aja mending. Boleh kita lanjut aja ke kelompok selanjutnya dari B2 ya?
Boleh teh.
Mangga.
Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Ini mulai aja langsung.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Iya,
wabarakatuh.
tapi ini masih di-record kan?
Good morning everyone.
Oh iya,
Good morning.
berarti boleh lanjut, nanti recordnya kirim ke Bapak aja. Oh iya, sekedar informasi untuk Miss Yanuar juga barusan ngirim chat. Katanya paling masuk telat juga, paling jam 9-an lebih untuk materi sudah dikirim ke GC. Sama Bu Anita juga katanya hari ini kemungkinan nggak masuk, jadi kita dikasih tugas. Soalnya lagi di Cianjur, lagi nemenin yang PPL. Enggak, boleh lanjut.
Next slide, Kak Ima. Malah coba for the first member Bilkis Azkar Alawiyah, and the second is Widya Sari, and the third Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah siapin
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning everyone. Bilkis
Morning. Silakan orang, Cip.
How is it going today?
Antuk teh.
May all of us always be healthy. And in this opportunity, we would like to present about our material is interactive learning media by using Bamboozle. And let me introduce our member group. Yes, next slide, Kak Ima.
Saya malah ngelot.
Coba. For the first member, Bilkis Azkar Alawiyah, and the second is Widya Sari, and the third Feni Novianti, and the fourth Ima Zahratul Sada, and the last Mariani Okaria. For the first section will be delivered by Bilkis Azkar. So Bilkis Azkar Alawiyah, time is yours.
Thanks to Fanny who has given me opportunity to explain the next material. Well, now I will explain to you all about the material. First is ICT. Next slide, please. Is written that information and communication technology is the study or use of electrical
Lagi sebentar ya.
computers to store, analyze, and distribute any information.
Lukis ngebag, ngeload,
numbers, pictures, video, and the other. The way ICT includes two aspects, namely information technology and communication. Here definition of ICT, information and communication technologies are various aspects involving technology, engineering, and management techniques used in the control and processing of information and its use. The relationship between computers and humans and matters relating to social, economic, and culture. Another understanding expressed by some great people based on Abdul Qadir is written that information and communication technology is the study or use of electrical equipment, especially computers, to store, analyze, and distribute any information, include words, numbers, pictures, video, and the other. The way ICT includes two aspects, namely information technology and communication technology. Information technology includes everything related to the process used as a tool, manipulation, and management of information, while communication technology is everything related to the use of tools to process and transfer data from one to the piece another. Okay, that's explanation from me. Back to Fanny. Thank you.
Sorry, Bilkis. For the next slide, masih Teh Bilkis ya. Second section. Second part will be delivered by Ima.
Definition, Bamboozle is a web-based tool for creating fun and engaging games. It is a free text-file online learning platform that allows for gamification in the classroom. As we all know, games serve an essential purpose in classrooms. It is perfect for teachers who understand the importance of keeping learning fun and exciting for students of all age, and is best suited for those who are always interested in taking their instruction to another level. Because Bamboozle promotes the idea that learning is fun, and it enables teachers to reinforce concepts and involve all students in the learning process.
Be sure to check out this.
Thank you, Bilkis, for the explanation. And for the second part will be delivered by Ima. Ima, time is yours.
Okay, now benefits of Bamboozle. The first question are never in the same order and are pulled from a bank question that you create. Therefore, no two games are alike.
Digital community and a hilarious GIF image coupled with a random congratulatory message that learners will never get tired of seeing. And then the game can be easily projected on a screen in your room, which means that your student do not have to have a device to.
And the second, the games can be customized to meet your student need. For example, you can set a timer. Time limits have kept students focused on the task at hand. Be sure to check out these online timers.
Visit the built-in library of games and try it.
And then, students can create team names, which promotes team building. You can then edit the game you create to include the team names. Whichever team wins will be sold with digital confetti and a hilarious GIF image, coupled with a random congratulatory message that learners will never get tired of seeing.
Okay, thank you, Taima, for the
And then the game can be easily projected on a screen in your room, which means that your student do not have to have a device to.
Thank you. Creating a game. To create a game, you will need
to play
sign
the
up
game.
for a Bamboozle account.
And then students do not need accounts or codes to play the game. And then the games are easy to create. Furthermore, there are thousands of games already created by other teachers that are available to play whenever you want. Visit the built-in library of games and try to try it. And then it increases learner engagement. The application has a visually stimulating lesson that will keep your learner's eye glued to the screen. And the last, it permits zero preparation. Once we've caught on, we can try it instantly.
Okay, thank you, Taima, for the explanation. And for the last part, will be delivered by Thais. Thais, time is yours. Okay, Teh Penny, thank you. Creating a game. To create a game, you will need to sign up for a Bamboozle account at www.bamboozle.com. Once you have created an account, follow the steps below to build your first game. First, click on the My Games tab. Second, select New Game and add the details. Make note that you cannot hide your game with the free versions. And then third, click Make Game. And fourth, add your questions, answers, and point values. Multiple choice questions are not available on the free versions. Next, 5, click close once you are done adding all your questions.
A demonstration of how to use Bamboozle.
Free basic plan. The basic plan is free to use. Who doesn't like free? I know I do. Here is what you get with the free versions. Make one folder. First create your own games, and then make one folder, and third upload 1 MB image. 4 play with 4 teams, and 5 add up to 25 questions per game. Sort blog.tzea.org/bamboozle/ or at www.linkedin.com/post/10 reasons why you should bamboozle your adult alphaphonic. Thank you, Tay, for the explanation. All right, everyone. We will see a demonstration of how to use Bamboozle, which will be delivered by Tehria. Tehria, time is yours.
All right, you can play any game. Thank you, Fanny. I'm going to share screen first. Even for adults, depends on the level of English. But if we want to play, so can you see my screen, everyone? For example, I check this one. Yeah. First, I'm going to show you how to make questions on Bamboozle, and then the second, we are going to play games. So just prepare yourself. We are going to play games on Bamboozle, but sorry, cannot everyone, but just some of us, just to show you how to play it. It's really fun. First here is the benefit of using Bamboozle. We don't need any account, especially for students. Here you can read zero preparation needed and blah 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 blah. Just need to play games here. Just click play games. Yeah, if we don't sign in. Yeah, all right. You can play any games here. It can be for kids, even for adults. Depends on the level of English. But if we want to play more than 2 groups, for example, I check this one. I just random check. Excuse me, I keep clearing my throat. Okay, spelling bee for examples. It takes time. Yes, 9 and 9. And to be honest, I only made 1 question on Bamboozle and guys about idiom. So this is the only thing I okay. Here we can play anything. Click play here. So first we click play. Make game. Yeah. If we don't sign in, we only can play with 2 groups only. So if you want to play more than 2 groups, we have to sign up. Yeah. Sign in. Sorry. Oh, just random. Let me sign in first. And then what is it about? Task form. Language. And to be honest, I only made 1 question on Bamboozle, and it's about idiom. So this is the only thing I have on my account, because mostly I play anything on Bamboozle. So first, let's make games first. Last week, but because we didn't have class last week, so I forget where I played. Yeah, we can make new. Yeah, so we choose my library and then go to new game. Yeah, what is it called? For example, we just random simple pass. And then what is it about? Pass form. Language, of course, English. Alright. Just make games. Text, we don't need text. So because it's free, so we cannot unlisted or private, just public. Oh yeah, here we can make a cover for the game. No, I haven't prepared anything for this cover. Actually, I did for last week, but because we didn't have class last week, so I forget where I put it. Let me check. Okay, just random. The answer, just click here. It can be couldn't be more than 1 megabyte, I guess. Just make it 10 and save. Oh, it doesn't load yet. This is just so I try it once again. 2 questions. All right, just make games. Image. Choose file. Yeah, all right. The question is because if I'm not mistaken, this is I'm not mistaken. Okay, I prepare a picture thing that I'm go to the store with the friends. The answer, just click here. Example, when. And the point, we can choose 5, 10, etc. Just make it 10. And save. My friend said that we can have multiple. This is just example, so I only make 2 questions. Unfortunately, mine is not premium, it's free. So we use question with image. How to make questions. Choose file. But now we are going to play games on Bamboozle. Let's go to games. If I'm not mistaken, this is. Let's go to. Sing. What is it? If I'm not mistaken, I prepare a picture thing, but I'm not really sure. Just check. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This is the pass form. This picture. Let's just play the games. Oh, yeah, that's right. Okay, this is how to make it. As you know, what my friend said, that we can have multiple choice if we are premium, but unfortunately mine is not premium, it's free. So this is how to make it, how to make questions on Bamboozle. But now we are going to play games on Bamboozle. Let's go to games. And let's go to, what is it? I'm going to find very simple questions, because the fun thing about Bumble is not answering the question, but the how you choose the number. It can be more than 6, because we can make a group, not only per person. Let's just play the games. So at least I need 6. Okay. Pass. Alright. That is simple. Who wants to play with me? Anyone? There's no B1 or B2, just team 1 or team 2. Who wants to play a game? Everyone? Bella, maybe you want to join us? Hello? Nobody?
Yeah, mau nyoba.
Okay, wait a minute. Can you please type your name on chat box so I can put you in the team. no more than 14. So I'll make three teams. Bilkis, yeah. Who else? Felicia and who else? Only answer the past form of the. It can be more than 6 because we can make a group, not only per person, but a group. So at least I need 6. Okay, Ima. All right. B1, please join us. There is no B1 and B2. I will combine you all in team 1, team 2, or team 3. Please join us. Join us. Maybe who? Dela, maybe you want to join us? Zikri, Paujia. Thank you. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna make it into how many groups? Yeah. It's also still a problem for free because for free we only can make 4 teams, no more than 14. So I'll make 3 teams. The question is 15. It's really easy, as you can see the questions. Only answer the past form of the word of these verbs. Oh no, sorry, power up. Option. Oh my god. Okay, wait a minute. I'm going to make 10 seconds. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute, please. Oh no, I have to get back. I haven't set the time yet. Or reset score. Okay, let's play. I'm going to how many? 6. Oh, B1 yeah. Idea? Seriously, B1? Oh, I'm going to time.
B1.
No. You wanna play?
Saya ngerekam layar, nge-like PC-nya.
You can close this one, or you can back. Yeah. 3 groups, 15 questions, option. Yeah. And I usually just use timer. We don't need to make long time because only answer simple form. So I put only 10 seconds. Only 10 seconds. Colorful, grid, and loose point. No, we don't need it because it's already great playing without loose points or reset score. Okay, let's play. I'm going to how many? 6. Oh, B1 only Paujia? Seriously, B1? Hello? We'll just pick Dela, okay? You don't wanna play? Bu Is, do you wanna play? Yeah. Oh, merekam. Okay. Bu Is, would you please join us, Bu Is? What is it?
Belum teh.
What is it? Blue background. It means that you have to choose. Okay, I'm going to make the group. First, this is team 1, Paujia, and Pau, just Pau, okay? Pau and Fanny. And team 2, Ima and Feli. Team 3, Bilkis and who? That's only 5.
And you.
No. No. Who wants to play with us? Please. Dela, maybe. Dela, would you join us, please? For 2 of lose. Okay, I will just pick Dela, okay? Dela. Yeah, that's okay. It's really fun. You don't have to think hard, okay? Yeah. Right? Now, when you see your name with the, what is it, blue background, it means that you have to choose the number. Just choose the number, the question. If it's a question, but if it's not, it could be you get points, you get swap, or something else. So that's all. Right, Paujia and Fanny, just choose the number here.
Number 4.
Choose number. not husband. Okay. I
5.
need to think hard. What number?
5.
Number 5. All right. Get ready. It's only 10 seconds. Okay. What's the verb 2 of lose? 1, 2, 3.
Lost.
Yay! So if it's right, just okay. Yeah. Next, Ima and Felicia. Number
6.
6. All right. Speak. Yay! Great. Next, Bilkis and Della.
Number 4.
4.
Fanny nggak ada.
This is what's very impressive with this game. So, which team you want you want them to lose 5 points? Which team?
15.
Oh yeah.
Yay, which team?
Oh jadi tanpa menjawab pertanyaan.
Ya.
Oh.
Kalian nggak jawab
Jangan
pertanyaan,
aku,
tapi kalian
please,
milih
jangan
yang
aku.
mana yang
Oke.
harus kehilangan 5 poin.
Oh.
Please,
Ima,
jangan aku,
Ima,
please.
Ima dan Feli.
Sometimes even the team hasn't got any points yet, but they have to get like lose 15 points. So it means like minus 15 points. Okay, go back to Hokia and Annie. Be careful choosing the number. Number 3. Let's see, number 3.
Teh Fanny mau coba pilih.
Why are you so lucky? Okay, just choose it. Tahu.
Oh, Teh Fanny nggak ada.
I don't know. Fanny, are you here? I guess she's gone.
I choose number 15.
15. Okay. Number 15. Let's go. Go.
Gone. Got.
You sure? Tiring, tiring. Went. Yeah, gone is verb 3. Oops. Yeah. Next, Ima and Fel. Or also guys, if you want to join, just go. Fel or Ima?
Number 3.
Number 3. Let's see, number 3. Wah, swap point. Yay. Why are you so lucky? Swap point guys. Jadi kalian harus tukaran poin sama tim 1 atau tim 3 yang sama-sama tidak menguntungkan buat kamu ya. Karena sejauh ini poin kalian yang paling tinggi.
Ini mah game-nya curang.
Which group?
Tim 3.
Which group, Ima?
Gimana Teh Fel?
Di grup Ima. My group.
Ya, nggak mungkin sama grup 3 ya. Intinya sih begitu. Ya, jadi grup mana, Ima?
Mana Teh Fel?
Ima, Feli. Pasti grup inilah ya. Nggak mungkin kan kalian pengen dapat 0.
Ya, grup how.
Beruntunglah grup.
Oh my god, Bambu tuh like is the question.
Anak-anak, Bilkis and Della. Della, you wanna choose the number?
Number 1 Teh.
Number 1. Let's see, number 1. Maybe it's a lucky number. 3. No. Sorry. Take. Yeah, 2. Correct. Go back to Pau and Fan. Pau. Fanny, are you here, Fanny? Go back.
Number 2.
Back, Fanny. Number 2. Okay, let's go. Number 2. Get.
Apa itu verb 2 ya?
Ya, verb 2.
Got.
Yeah, exactly. Next, Ima. Feli. Ayo Fel. See, the number. Huh? 8. Number 8. Bye.
Both.
Yeah. Next, group 3. Bilqis.
Number itu 12.
Huh?
12.
12. Let's see. Yay! Take points. Always. There's no way.
Hoki.
Which group you want to take?
Pau and Fen. Group.
Alright. Yeah.
Kenapa mereka tidak pernah menjawab
There are two round left. Ya, masih ada 2 ronde. Yuk, Pau.
Ibu, aku mau udahan aja.
Udahan aja. Fanny, are you here, Fanny? Fanny, come on. Choose the number.
7.
7. Lucky 7. No. Just so. 8. Berdua 8.
At.
Yeah, 8. Alright. Ima, Feli.
Number 10.
Number 10. Yeah. Swim.
Swim.
Ya, yang mana verb-duanya?
Swim.
Ya, correct. Ya. Yuk, Bilqis, Dela.
Number 9.
Number 9. Dela choose number 9. Let's see. Have.
Number 14.
Had.
Correct. Alright, this is the last round. Ini penentuan ya. Kebetulan so far yang memegang tim 1. Tapi kita tidak tahu. Bisa jadi ada penambahan poin 50 biasanya. Bisa juga ada swap. Next, Fanny.
13.
13. Come.
Kelompok
Came.
Oh, okay.
Apa?
Came.
Next, ya. Ima and Feli menentukan ya. Menentukan sekali. Karena kalau kelompok terakhir, they cannot choose anything. Ya Ima, Feli, what number? Don't think hard. You will not die.
Ima. Oh enggak. Nomor berapa?
Number 14.
14. Let's see, 14. Take 15 points. Yay! Which group?
Hoki.
Which group? Pau or Bill?
Berarti Bilqis dapat 50 poin.
Jangan.
Hah? Mau ngambil dari kelompok mana? Kelompok Fanny atau kelompok Bilqis? Kelompok Fauzia, kelompok Bella?
Kelompok Teh Pau, Teh Fen.
Oke.
Bilangin sih ke mama.
Tapi tetap ya, masih tinggi juga. Oke ya, kelompok Bilqis sama Delain yang terakhir, nggak tahu nih isinya apa ya. Mari kita lihat. Ya biasa aja, tapi jawab aja. 25 loh.
Rod.
Oh yeah, thank you for playing with us, everyone, especially for Yay! So the winner is still Fauzia and Fanny. Well, guys, that's all how to play Blamboozle. It's really easy. We can play it in online classes like this, and students don't need to make account or even don't need device to play, and also we can play it in the offline classroom, exactly in the classroom. So that's all from me. Thank you so much, and I give it back to Fanny.
Well, everyone, that's all our presentation which can deliver to you all. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry for our mistakes. Dan saya wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oh yeah, thank you for playing with us, everyone, especially Fauzia and Dela.
Lagi di
Sama-sama.
jalan.
Hadiah pulsanya mana ya, Bu?
Apa?
Dapat hadiah pulsa bukannya?
Allahu Akbar, minta pulsa.
Udah teh.
Banyak mas sekarang OVO, GoPay, Shopee Pay sekarang.
Ya nanti di BC dan di BC.
Jadi udah aja, langsung aja ke penutupan. Barusan udah penutupan ya?
Jadi dapat disimpulkan ya teman-teman menggunakan media tersebut selain mengandalkan kepintaran kita, juga mengandalkan kehokian kita teman-teman.
Hari ini semoga ilmu yang disampaikan bisa langsung kita aplikasikan ya.
Amin.
Sekali lagi terima kasih untuk kehadirannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah diabsenkan ya kelas B2?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, ya yuk assalamualaikum. Iya maaf. Sok lanjutin aja ya latihannya. Udah beres?
Sudah teh.
Oh iya, berhubung waktunya sudah habis ya, ini bagian yang Miss Januar. Jadi udah aja, langsung aja ke penutupan. Barusan udah penutupan ya?
Udah teh.
Oh ya udah, teman-teman terima kasih untuk kehadirannya hari ini. Semoga ilmu yang disampaikan bisa langsung kita aplikasikan ya. Sekali lagi terima kasih untuk kehadirannya. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Udah diabsenkan ya kelas B2?
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Oke, ya yuk assalamualaikum.